Okay, this is the erosion lab. We have a long ramp here with a rain gutter, and it has a bunch of sand on the inside, evenly dispersed. And at the top, we have a cup with a hole in the bottom. And so we're going to pour a bunch of water in there, and the hole will let the water out at a uniform rate. And the water will run down here and erode some of the sand into this filter. And so we're going to see how much erodes or moves from the trough to the filter at 3 trials, and then get the average of that. And then we're going to make the ramp steeper. Right now it's 10 centimeters high. We're going to raise it up to 14, and we'll see how much extra erosion occurs when we get to a higher level. We're going to pour the same amount of water each time, 100 milliliters. So here's the first trial. Okay, we caught a bunch of sand here. Dump the water out, and then we're going to measure the sand on a scale, find out how much is there. Okay, so to figure out the mass, you add up the back beam, the middle beam, which is 0, and the front beam. There's our mass of that erosion. I'm going to put the sand back onto the trough, spread things out nicely again. And we'll do it 2 more times. Same amount of water each time, 100 milliliters. Here it comes. Pour out the extra water. Find the mass. Okay, that's pretty well balanced now. So add the back slider, and the front of the middle slider still 0, and the front slider. Add those up. That's the amount of sand eroded in the second trial of the 10 centimeter ramp. Okay, I'm going to put the sand back into the trough. Get ready to catch some more. Spread the sand out nicely again. Same amount of water. If we add too much water, then just the extra water will erode, not just the height of the ramp. So here's the last trial for the 10 centimeter ramp. sand on the balance here. And that's pretty well balanced, so you add up the back beam, the middle beam, and the front beam. Okay, so that is for the 10 centimeter ramp. Now I'm going to raise this up to be 15 centimeters. Put the sand back in. Same amount of water. I always want to keep everything the same except for one quality. The one thing we're changing in this lab is the height of the ramp, but everything else needs to stay the same. And here's our first trial for the 15 centimeters. Now we increased the height of the river by 50%, from 10 up to 15. Did we get 50% more erosion? So there's the stuff on the balance. And we had 24. Now how much do we have? Add up the back slider. The middle is still going to be 0. And then the front. Okay. Put that sand back in. Get the filter ready for another trial. Trial number 2 for the 15 centimeters. Put it on the balance. So there it is, and it's not much different than before, just a little bit more. So I'll read the back, read the middle, read the front, add them all up. Last trial. Here's the last trial. Okay, that's pretty well balanced. So add up the back. See if I can get that in focus a little bit better. Here we go. That plus the middle and the front. Okay, so you should have now 3 trials for the 10 centimeter ramp and 3 trials for the 15 centimeter ramp. To get the average, remember you add up the 3 trials and divide by 3. Whenever you find the average, you always add up all your numbers and then divide by how many numbers you had. Read the big idea at the bottom of the page and then do the analysis questions.